Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to count unique items in a list in Excel. So in this example, I want to find out the number of unique departments in this list. You realize we have duplicates here. I just want the exact count of the unique departments. To do this, you can use Excel's COUNTIF function. COUNTIF will count based on a criteria. It requires a range, which is just this list containing department names. And in a typical situation, we'll provide one word or one cell for the criteria. But for this purpose, we want to use the same list as a criteria. Now, what will happen is that it will tell us the number of times each department appears in this list, row by row. So if you are using a current version of Excel, Office 365 or 2019 with an array or SPIL function, you can enter and it will now show you what this formula will return for each department. So quality assurance appears 5, quality assurance appears 5 in that order. Okay. If you're not using a current version of Excel, you can still have this SPIL by highlighting the entire formula and pressing F9. So we still get the array of values separated by semicolons. Now, I'm showing you this so that you get an idea of what we are trying to do. Quality assurance appears 5 times. Next one appears 5 times. To get the true weight of the number of times each appears, we can divide this and make 1 the numerator. So I take 1 as a numerator over this. What I will get is that when I evaluate this, I now get 0.2, which translates to 1 over 5. So it means that for quality assurance, its weight is 1 over 5, the number of times it appears here. Same for this next one. If you look at the third one, it appears once. Product development appears once. So if I divide it by 1, I still maintain 1. It means its weight is 100%. Okay, so that's all the formula we need. The final thing we are going to do is to sum the numbers you saw earlier up. We could use sum to do this, or because this is an array, we could also use sum product, which will just help us sum the entire array of numbers that you saw earlier. Okay, so this now gives me the unique count of 6 departments. If you look closely or use a filter, you realize that it removes the duplicates, and indeed we have only 6 departments here. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you get videos on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.